How to make a Blooket game on phone. Want to make a Blooket game right from your phone? Here's how to do it step by step. So first and foremost, head over into your browser and search for blooket.com. And then once you have opened the website, go ahead and sign in to your account or sign up for an account. Now, if you already have an account, simply click on the login button. Now, once you're signed in to your account, you would be redirected into this section. So simply click on the X from here and then select create a set. Now from here, you can go ahead and choose your creation method. So you can create a set from a Quizlet import, CSV upload, or manually. Now after that, you need to create the title and description for the specific Blooket game or set, and then set the privacy settings and click on create set. Now from here, you can go ahead and add the questions, import Quizlet, import spreadsheet, select from question bank, and hide answers. So you just need to simply create your questions and save your game, and then go ahead and choose host to run a live game or assign homework to give it as a homework. And that is how to create a Blooket game on phone.